Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of timeline. On the application of Teams, you will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Teams and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.